That box cub tomorrow. So yeah, I have
Hello?
some money running around here.
Hey. No, I ain't at home right now. When I get back there, I will though. I'll check and see. Yeah. You done made it home? Okay, okay, okay. I'll
They
holler
know
at you in
your
a little
whistle,
bit.
huh?
Yeah, they come out to me.
All right, all right.
See, it's a little bit one, the last one right
That's
there.
a little run, huh?
Yeah, that's the run
Yeah.
of them. Yeah,
And they look
come
just
out.
alike, these two, except that one's smaller. Golly.
He ain't got tangled up around the thing now,
Oh
so he
yeah,
can't
he
even
good.
get close to you.
Jay, come here.
And he done slimmed down.
Seriously?
Yeah.
He's solid. Gosh, he is
He
beautiful.
look
Look
good.
at him. He's solid. Don't loosen the chain, okay?
Those big wheels.
Him! Oh my gosh! Ooh, look at him!
Yeah.
Hey, he has blue eyes.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, they all have blue eyes. Well, no, this one and this one.